Hello everyone, Madhvi here, your complete lifestyle coach. Welcome to my channel. Everyone, before I begin, I want you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook, on Instagram and on LinkedIn. I'm going to leave the description below. Why I'm telling you this is I'm going to come up with new things every time. I'm going to post amazing new videos about things that you don't need to just watch the video for, but you can actually apply this to your everyday life and actually see results come through. What is it that you want? What is it that you dream of? What are the things that you expect in your life and it is not happening? Those are the things I'm going to help you out with. You can also reach out to me on these social media panels like these. So many people who have done. There are so many people who have contacted me and I have really spoken to them and helped them out in every possible way, coached them in every possible way for an amazing outcome. I am here for everyone out there, no matter who you are, male, female, old, young, dark, fair, I am there for you. Let's make this community a wonderful community where we interact with each other and come up with amazing results in our life and have an amazing lifestyle. That is why Madhvi the lifestyle coach is there, you know. And that is why this video is also equally important. Today's video is about something very, very personal for me. It is the concept of gratitude journal. I came across this concept around 2.5 years back when someone told me about this. One of my mentors told me about the concept of gratitude journal. I was amazed at what is this all about. It is a book, a diary that you keep in which you write down about the daily things that you have in your life and the daily things that you do that you are grateful and thankful for. I was wondering, how is this even relevant to all the things that we do? How is this going to help? What is this gratitude journal? Then what happened was, I understood what my mentor told me was, when you are grateful for the things that you have, no matter how small they are, then bigger and better things that you can be grateful for show up. What is that dream that you want? What is it that you want? Which area of your life do you want to improve? If you want your life to be amazing, if you want each area of your life to be amazing, you have to be grateful for everything you have right now. If you're fat and you want to become thin, you have to first be grateful for the body that you have right now. If you want money and if you don't have sufficient money, then you have to be grateful for the money that you have right now. This concept was something that really grasped me like anything, and I started writing this gratitude journal. Initially, I used to find it very difficult to write and I used to feel actually bad that there is nothing I am grateful for, there is nothing in my life that I am grateful for. But as I kept writing, I noticed that I don't notice the things that are there in my life that I should be grateful for. Rather, I am always complaining about everything in my life. My focus was always on the things about complaining about the things. My focus was always about the negative side of things. I learned to be grateful for everything. Right from a small cup of tea in the morning, to finishing my exercise on time, to getting a client, to speaking to someone and transforming their life, maybe buying new clothes, maybe just sitting and spending time with family, sitting and spending that 5 minutes time on the phone with your friend, anything that you can be grateful for, maybe going shopping. Right now, this is the best time, this quarantine period that the entire world is going through, this is the best time to look at all the things that you are grateful for. This is the time that you can actually focus on the things that you can be thankful and feel good about. So when I get up in the morning, I freshen up and the first thing I do is I pick up my journal. Here is my journal. In this book, I write down all the things I'm grateful and thankful for. I've been writing for many years. This is the third book that I have that is on the way of completion. And I write my gratitude every single day. What are the things I'm grateful and thankful for? Initially, I could not write even 3 or 4 things because I used to not look at the things that are there in my life. But now every day I write 21 new things that I am grateful and thankful for. Yes, 21 different things every single day. Sounds impossible, but yes, if you really sit and think about it, things just flow into your mind and actually you start feeling grateful for every small thing. You actually initially are grateful for the things that money can buy. But slowly and steadily you start becoming grateful for the things that money can't buy. Like your breath, like the skin on your body, like you have the ability to walk, your ability to speak, your beautiful hair, your beautiful body. The small things we don't look at. Today I did not have to do this work. I'm so thankful and grateful because I did not have to do this work and it was taken care of by somebody else. Those are things to be grateful for. I'm so thankful and grateful that I spoke to so and so friend today. I'm so thankful and grateful for I spent this much quality time in doing such and such thing that I really like. I'm so thankful and grateful for I started a new hobby. Those are all the things you can actually write down that you are thankful and grateful for. And I have been writing since the past 2.5 years. And I have been seeing immense results. What happens if you write a gratitude journal? First thing in the morning when you write a gratitude journal, you set your mind towards the positivity in life, towards looking at the good things in life. When you're thankful and grateful for things in life, automatically more things that you can be thankful and grateful for show up. Initially, when I used to not be so thankful and grateful for things, but I used to be alright, not so negative, not so positive. If something goes bad, my mind would automatically become negative. Automatically go into this frame of mind that, oh God, things are not working out. Oh God, how are things going to be? Oh God, how do I solve this problem? But now, as I write the gratitude journal, my mind sets up for being thankful and grateful for things. So when there is a problem that shows up, I might react initially. Everybody does, everybody is human. I might react initially. But then I immediately take a step back because in my mind that thankfulness and gratefulness has been tuned in right in the morning, and that is what runs throughout the day. And automatically when I step back, I'm able to look for options for the solution. Look at the other perspective of things. Maybe it did not work out. It is good that it did not work out. Maybe things did not happen. There are better things coming in. Maybe right now I'm not able to see the solution, but eventually I will. And you know what? I do see the solution. I do see the other side of the opportunity. I see the opportunity in this problem. I'm able to see things. I have got clients from situations where it is difficult to get a client, it's difficult to get an opportunity. And things have drastically changed for me. Try applying this journal in your daily life. Try doing this activity and let me know what you think, how it has changed in your life. Within a week's time, I could feel the difference in me and myself. Check it out, do it and let me know in the comment section below how you feel when you're writing your gratitude journal in the morning. I write 21 different things. You don't have to write 21 different things. You can write as many as you can and slowly and steadily increase the list. I hope this was useful. I hope this was helpful. I hope you guys are benefiting from my videos. Keep watching. Next time I'm going to come up with something completely different, completely new. I'm actually working towards a goal, and by the next video, I'm definitely sure that I'm going to reach that goal. So stay tuned and let's see you guys next time. Signing off for now, Madhvi, your complete lifestyle coach.